we're going to do a little unboxing today of my favorite thing, rubber dams. I think my Instagram page has made it pretty clear by now that my favorite thing to talk about is absolute isolation and daily dentistry. So when I first heard about Sanctuary dams, I was quite intrigued. They have a bunch of different sizes, thicknesses, and colors that are really unique. So I'm really excited to see what they have in store for us in this box here. Okay, what else do we have here? Black. Oh, I love the black rubber dam. The black rubber dam is unique. You don't find it that a lot of companies make the black rubber dam. And what's so cool about using a black rubber dam is it shows you everything you leave behind. So if there's bonding agent that you sprayed around there, or some dust left from when you're doing your preparation, you'll see everything. Okay, what else do we got here? Oh, no way. Pink rubber dam. Okay, what else do we got here? Oh, nice. Dun dun dun. Silk blue, the classic. This is the one that everyone sees on Instagram. This is my, go-to favorite color to use when I'm working. Some more blue dams, some green dams, some more blue. Oh, what's this? Nice. The Sanctuary Dental Dam Kit. Very exciting. So this has a forceps, hole puncher, frame, and a clamp organizer. And I've heard that this puncher is very highly rated actually, and has a really nice alignment when it punches so that you don't end up with those little tags in between the rubber dam. To wrap things up, I'm really excited that Sanctuary sent this over to me. I'd heard they had a bunch of different things and I'm really excited to try them out. So big shout out to Sanctuary. I've used their products in the past. I can say that they're really high quality. I'm definitely adding these into my rotation of rubber dam. Another big shout out goes to Bisco Canada, which is where I order my Sanctuary rubber dams from. I believe they're the only place to order Sanctuary dams from if you're in Canada, so definitely give them a shout out if you're looking to add these into your rotation. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope my patients are excited as I am to try out these new rubber dams. See you guys next time.